Since the last project that I worked on was the Jello protein gel electrophoresis box, and it's been a while since my first DNA gel electrophoresis video, I thought I'd post an update with a new DC power supply that I think is potentially better for DIY bio projects. The exact name of the posting for this product is 900 watt, 15 amp, step-up module, 8 to 60 volt to 10 to 120 volt DC-DC step-up converter booster for DIY. I'll put the search term in the video description instead of a link, since that tends to last longer. Interestingly, it seems to be intended for DIY solar panel projects. The operation is fairly straightforward once you figure it out, although it's not the most intuitive at first. After the power supply is plugged into power, you can then use the buttons marked plus or minus to cycle through the 10 options for saved files. These will be numbered 0 through 9. You'll need to press the bottom button, marked OK, to switch the output on. By double pressing the set button in rapid succession with the output switched to on, you can enter voltage and ampere settings for these programs, and use the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease the values. Pressing the set button will switch between the voltage and amperes. While this interface may not be the most user-friendly, it's probably a step up from the screwdriver and potentiometer method that I previously demonstrated, which requires a separate voltmeter to measure the output. The new power supply is larger than the previous one, but size isn't of major concern for an electrophoresis power supply sitting on a bench. To be honest, it's still quite small compared to other lab power supplies that I've used. It's also about 2 times more expensive than the one I previously showed, but at roughly $20, I would say that's still not a bad price for what you get. So in summary, if you're looking for a power supply for DIY gel electrophoresis projects, this might be a good option for you. Thanks for watching, and if you found the video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.